Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public channel in Telegram. First, open your Telegram app and tap the new message icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Next, select New Channel from the menu that appears. You'll then be prompted to give your channel a name and an optional description, which helps new members understand its purpose. After naming your channel, you'll choose its type. Select Public Channel to make it discoverable by anyone on Telegram. This is crucial for reaching a wider audience. You'll then create a unique public link, which acts as your channel's address. This link is how people will find and join your channel, so make it memorable and relevant. Once your channel type is set, Telegram will ask if you want to add initial subscribers from your contacts. You can select a few people to get your channel started, or you can skip this step entirely. Remember, you can always share your public link later to invite more people, so there's no pressure to add everyone right away. With your public channel created, you can now manage its settings. Tap on the channel name at the top to access options like changing the description, adding new administrators, or adjusting member permissions. You have full control to customize your channel, ensuring it operates exactly as you intend for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.